My name is Todd Atchison. I am Senior Production Manager for second and third shift here at Vermeer.
My name is Jonathan Himshoot, and I am the second shift group leader for large nav assembly.
Well, the objective of our leadership team is to bring the new folks into the company, to get them cultured, to get them trained, to get them on their path for their career.
It's very supportive because it has to be. There has to be that chemistry between leadership to make it a successful work environment.
The vision that I have, grow the operational team from just supporting shifts to full value stream ownership. Currently, we have one product that we own from start to finish.
We build large navigators. Other lines have assembly on second shift, whereas large navigator is only done on second shift, both weld and assembly.
The neat thing about working with second and third shift team members that are here because this truly works best for them.
It allows you time at the beginning of your day to do things around town, or take your car to the shop, or go to the bank and pay some bills.
We have the handoff list. Here are the things we need your groups to focus on to make sure we're successful tomorrow. We have flexibility, a lot more agility. Very important work.